Hello everyone, welcome back to Ben's IT English Training Camp. This is our day 21. Most of you might find it's been a while since my last update to my whole video series. That is true. In the last couple months, I started to really think about the whole project I'm doing right now. You know, if you're willing to call it a project. And I found there are something that I'm not really doing it right. That not necessarily mean I'm going a completely wrong direction, but it's just the way that I'm presenting the whole video series. I think it's a little bit, it needs a little bit adjustment. The IT itself, I think, really contains thousands of different concepts and technologies. I don't think a predefined procedure or guideline will be able to help to organize the whole video series. I'm trying to do a step-by-step from simple to hard type of path. And some people will think, okay, right now it's too simple, too easy. Some will say, okay, I still find it's hard to understand, hard to follow. And someone would say, okay, you focus on the Microsoft technology, but we're really into the open source software, like we're Unix or Linux administrator. So your video is not really our types. So as a conclusion, I'm thinking that the previous way that I'm using to presenting the knowledge is not really a good idea to cover all the audience, and to be honest, it's really hard to cover all the audience. So I'm just trying my best to figure out a better way to present the whole video series. And now I think I'll just do something like a talk show, because essentially the core of this video is not really IT knowledge. You know, it's not I'll teach you something like I'll teach you how to program C++, or I'll teach you how to build a user interface for an application, or I'll teach you how to become an Exchange administrator. The core idea is how to master English as a major language that used in a lot of IT world, because some of the I would say 70 or 80% of the IT provider, they use English. Their documentations, they use English. That's the reason why I think it's critical for an IT professional to have that kind of knowledge to interpret or to learn independently by using English as a language. So that's the true purpose. The IT knowledge is just like something wrap up the core idea. You know, I can't really talk to you like, okay, I'll teach you this word, I'll teach you this sentence, and you just simply by memorize it, and then you expect you can use it right away. It's not like that. The IT knowledge is just something wrap up the core idea. It's like a side product that I provide in this video and helps you things. We're both IT professionals. Provide a scenario that you can apply your knowledge about the language. You know, that's the reason why we add some of the IT knowledge. So, as a conclusion, I think it is the time for us to change a little bit, especially the way that I'm making the video. Also, it's at the end of the year of 2010, and the new year is about to come. I think it is the time to change. Now, I will still keep the title here, Ben's IT English Training Camp. That's no problem, but I'll change the subtitle to IT Professional Talk Show. So this is, I think, you know, after a long time thinking, consideration, I think this is the proper subtitle for the video series. It's just like a talk show. I want to make it simple, easy, fun, and and casual. It's not like a tutorial. It's not like a training video course. It's just like a talk show that all IT professional you can watch the video, and you're welcome to join the discussion. To share your ideas. I can bring up some topics. The new trend in the technology world. The new fashion, the new technology. Some issues I encountered during my work. And some of the business cases, and what's the solution, some of the troubleshooting tricks and tips, and you're welcome to join. If you think you have a better solution, you have a better idea you want to share with everybody. Nowadays it's really easy to publish your ideas, your comment on a social network. So you're welcome to do that. So now let's start with this video. Let's start the video with the name change and with the whole concept that I want to introduce to you. And still, I'm not going to change the format of the video recording. I will still include the Chinese version. So in this video, I just finished the English part, and the whole idea is I want to switch to another different method that I can better present you the language or the English that you're going to use in your IT career. Now I want to start the Chinese version. 那么大家好，欢迎大家来到我的这个 IT 英语的训练营。那么大家也许会发现有很长时间，那么我没有更新我这个整个的这个 video 的这个系列。那么因为我开始去回顾以前做的一些事情，我会发现实际上我也许选择了一种错误的方式就是说也不是非常的错误，但是就是说我觉得我如何来表达这个或者是传达我的这个知识或者一些见解的这个方式，我觉得有一些问题，因为这个 IT 实在是有一个非常广泛的这个意义那么包含了不同的成千上万种不同的技术、不同的知识。那么我本来打算是一步一步从最简单的到难一些，一步步的来开始由我就是通过已经预先打算好的一个步骤或者一个计划来做。那实际上我发现这样很难，因为听众的层次或者是听众的分类实在，因为这个 IT 它本身的分类非常广泛，那么听众的分类也就非常的广泛。那么有的人也许会认为现在听得非常简单，但有些人会觉得现在好像还是蛮难的。那么有些人会觉得你讲的好像全都是微软的东西，但是实际上我是 Linux 或者 Unix 我们这方面的这个管理员，那我不想听微软的东西，我想听其他东西。那么我觉得这个就是众口难调吧，我觉得。那么我希望用一种不同的方式来进行这样的一个 training， 或者你不能做训练吧，或者是一种英语的提高，因为我觉得英语实在是非常重要的，在 IT 的这个生涯中，这个职业生涯当中那么我想的一个方式就是以一种脱口秀的方式，那么实际上就是说没有经过任何的安排没有一定的规划，没有一定的这个pattern那么就是想到哪里讲到哪里。那么我们可以谈一谈最新的 IT 的趋势和潮流，可以谈谈比方说如何实施一个项目可以谈谈遇到一些问题有什么样的问题怎么解决的。那么我也希望这个 program 你可以叫它一个节目或者这个录像可以变得更加 open， 更加开放，更加 social 大众化一些，更加社会化一些。那么就是希望能够有更多人也能加入进来分享你自己的这个 idea， 你的自己的方案 solution idea， 你的 knowledge你的知识等等因为现在在现在的这个社会网络当中，你想发表一些评论等等，你的看法呢实在是非常的简单我不希望就是变成最后就我一个人在说然后并没有任何的反馈，或者是也没有大家的参与总之我希望这个 IT professional 的这个 talk show 能够变得很 open 可以变得很 friendly也有更多的人来involve 进来，能够加入进来，更加的互动 那么这是我的一个新的 idea。那么新的一年就要结束了，那么应该说2010年就要结束了，那么新的一年就要来了那么我觉得这也是时候去做一些改变。那么我的这个 subtitle 这个子标题从现在开始就会变成 IT Pro Talkshow， 然后跟着是 number。那么今天是第1期，就是大概的说一下整个的概念，为什么我要做这个转变等等那么就希望大家能够喜欢那么同时祝大家新年快乐，拜拜。